Hi, this is Mary at minialbumscraps.ning.com, and my YouTube is Sugar Grove Crafts. And we have a swap over at Mini Album Scraps known as This and That. And then This and That swap, just think of whatever comes to mind. Some of the bigger projects, sometimes it's just something really unique that you wouldn't do every month, but would be fun to do once or twice a year or something. So this particular month we did altered birdhouses. They are so cute. So I can't wait to show you. We had quite a few participants. I was a little worried because I know they're a little bigger to ship, so it's a little more costly, but one of the things that I do at Mass for anybody that swaps in my swaps is I will start a box for you and just hold the swaps until your box is full, or whenever you want me to mail it, to save you postage so you don't have to pay return postage on every single item. So first up is Janet November. And this is Janet's information. And Janet made me a little birdhouse. Isn't it cute? I'm having a shelf made. Actually, the shelf is made. It's just not put up. Like a mantle to go over the whole length of a wall in my craft room. It's going to go over a window. So I can't wait to put this up there. It's just cheery, and really appreciate it, Janet. This is really, really a nice thing to do. Thank you. So that's by Janet November. And then her swap birdhouse. Some of these are just, well, they're all just gorgeous. Isn't it cute? Just a little pink bird and some pretty pink and white roses, and she made like I think she made that little button to go with the ribbon. So it's not really a button, but kind of a button. But she made that with some material. Then all of her beads, different papers. Just too cute. So that's by Janet November. Next up is Nancy Snyder's. I'm going to try to take these all out of the wrap for you, so it might just take me a second more. I think it's pretty clever the way some of them, like Nancy, she put hers on a spool and decorated the spool so it sits up. I have my camera kind of close. It says spring. That's a little sticker because it's got like loose things inside. Really pretty birds. She's got a little rose garden in there with her fence. A pretty pink paper with birds on it. Lace top. These birdhouses were supposed to be cute enough that any little bird would want to live in there. So I was like, to say, make sure you put a bird on your birdhouse. This is really pretty. Pretty lace trim. It's really cute. So that's by Nancy Snyder. And Nancy also sent me a hostess gift, which I love beads, and I'm trying to learn to make charms. So she sent me some beads. Really nice beads. Thank you, Nancy. It's really, really nice. And I'm going to use them because I love to make the charms. So thank you, Nancy. Okay. I don't want to get anything mixed up. Next is Miss D. Miss D did the same thing. She used, so I think this was a ribbon spool or maybe from wrapping paper that she cut so she could elevate her birdhouse. decoupage strips of paper. Very pretty. Oh, this birdie has like a fancy little step to sit on. So this is by Misty, and I believe her YouTube is D's Special Things. I don't have a paper with this, but okay. Next up is Marla Wyatt, also known as Echo. She made this one, and then she had made a shabby chic looking one. She asked me which one I liked. I said this one. So she submitted this one. She's got a little medal up here. It says Friends for Life, some 3D butterflies and flowers, and then these fibers still look like straw. It's pretty neat. Just butterflies. A little crown. Very cute, Marla. Everything you do is cute. And there's her little bird. So that's by Marla. Next up is Evelyn Robinson. Evelyn used like a candlestick for her bird base. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. Wish I could get my camera. I need a new tripod, is what I need, but in the meantime I have to do. So that's by Evelyn. This is by Karen Dabney. I really like these colors. All the layers of paper. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love how you just made everything rustic, and I don't know, maybe there's another term for it, but I like it a lot. I kind of always tend to go to these. They're like these or more like pinks. Kind of different, but there's a little bird, a little patch of flowers. And there's Karen's information. These are just, I think all of these are just the little, you know, $1, maybe $1.50 birdhouses from Michael's. Oh, I forgot to show you Marla. This was Marla's. I didn't see her information's on the bottom. Couple more to go. These Keisha made 2. They both look like this, and they are beautiful. This flower. She's got a tassel on it, beautiful beads. Keisha. Thank you, Keisha. It's really, really pretty. Next up is Gail Berman. And this is Gail's. It's purple lace, yellow and purple. Purple flowers, all the lace on the back. Really pretty. Very nice scale. Saved this one for last. This is by Esteban. And if anybody looks at Karen's work, it's like always wow. She took this birdhouse and I think she added this onto it, like use a tropical travel log. I guess gotta show you close so you can see everything. She made a whole beach scene. Okay, she made a surfboard for its little perch. And I'm pretty sure she made that out of paper. And just want you to see everything. And this, oh, this is all punches. My gosh. Not even her bird fits the theme. Lighthouse up here. The palm trees. The fence is just amazing. And little thongs. Palm tree she's cut out. It says beach. Made by Esteban, 2013. Also known as rambusticated. Oh, she has little feet. Now, look at this. I can't do it without breaking anything. It has a drawer. And she put a nightlight in there. I can't really see it because it's daylight here, but it lights up. And then inside of here, this opens up. And inside there is a little mini book. This is just, her work is just something that if she joins the swap, I just can't wait to see what she does. She's like so creative. Everything is so original, and so that's the box that she made. I'm pretty sure she even finished the inside. Amazing, Karen. Thank you so much for joining the swap. Whoever gets this is going to be just so excited. They're all beautiful and gorgeous, but this is just, I mean, I've never seen anything like this, and I'm sure most of us haven't. And this, that goes there. Yes, oh, she even has a little spot for it. Absolutely gorgeous, Karen. Thank you, everybody. They're all beautiful. I hope you enjoyed making them. This month we're doing some altered Altoid tins with like a little dangle charm, or if you're a little more experienced and you want to incorporate a mini tin into a Arctic cake charm, that's a second option. But for those of you that aren't that experienced like me, you can just make an altered Altoid tin, and there's a certain number of requirements you need to do to it, and then put a dangle charm inside, and I think that will be a lot of fun too. So that's the This and That swap over at minialbumscraps.ning.com. Thank you everybody for participating and making this a really fun swap.